Hello, hello, my loves. It is your girl, Gabrielle Reyes, and this is lesson 14 of Jumpstarting Your Vegan Journey. Today, we are diving deep into supplements. People always ask me, don't you have to take a ton of supplements now that you're vegan? Absolutely not. There are several different ways that you can get in all of the vitamins, minerals, and supplements that you need through a plant-based diet. Of course, you can go down the path of getting your supplements through pills or capsules, or you can do it by eating whole food, plant-based. There's an array of vibrant vegetables, fruits, seeds, and nuts that can actually nourish you with plenty of iron, B12, and vitamin D. Some of my favorite ingredients to make sure I am supplementing all of my nutrients are spinach, tofu, lentils, nutritional yeast, and especially shiitake mushrooms. They're so meaty and they have a ton of B12 and iron in them. Now, of course, if it's easier for you to mix up a little protein powder drink and sip on that on your morning commute, work with whatever makes sense for you and your budget. I suggest always eating more colorful, more vibrant, and more close to the ground, more earthy. And that way you can get in all of those delicious, earthy, and nutritious ingredients like B12, iron, fiber, vitamins, and so many minerals. Make sure to always listen to your body. Do I need a little bit more protein? Am I feeling a little sluggish? Don't be afraid to make yourself a delicious smoothie with spinach, ginger, mango, pineapple, and of course, a splash of some filtered water in there too. Also, if you're feeling some kind of way, be sure to check in with a licensed health professional. They can get down to the very specifics of what is making your body do exactly what it's doing and exactly what you should eat to help it nourish and thrive and be fully abundant. There are so many vegan vitamins, so find the one that works for you or eat it through whole food plant-based meals. Of course, it's not just about what you're putting inside of your body, how you sleep, what kind of stress you got going on, and how much water you drink is very important. So make sure to always hydrate. Find some time for some meditation or prayer or just focused breathing, and you will see how much healthier you become day after day. They all influence nutrition absorption. Okay, so the next time somebody tells you, oh, you vegan, you're not getting enough B12, you're not getting enough iron, you're gonna die from protein deficiency, just send them this video and let them know exactly how you glow. Of course, the most important thing whenever you are diving deep into eating vegan, eat the rainbow. Do not forget that. And if you eat the rainbow, you can make sure you are getting all of the vitamins, minerals, B12, iron, everything you need every single day in every single meal. After all, our eyes are adapted to wanting to eat vibrant, wanting to eat an abundance of beautiful produce, fresh fruit, fresh vegetables. And because our eyes are adapted to that, it's gonna be so easy for you to get in the kitchen and whip up something that is colorful and delicious and nutritious too. I'm so glad y'all vibed out with me today in this lesson. If you did enjoy this, be sure to go to onegreatvegan.com. We have so many delicious things for you. A cookbook, a course, so many free recipes, all for you and your abundant journey into eating vegan. Yes, and y'all know what to do. Subscribe, hit that notification. I know you're trying to get into these plant-based meals. I know you're trying to vibe out with your girl, Gabrielle. I'll see y'all next time.